Hey everybody, recently had a follower request to help clarify the difference between a payment gateway and a payment processor. Again, this is a video being made at the request of one of you. So if there's a class, maybe even a course you'd like to have created, email me, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com. Leave a comment on YouTube or on LinkedIn. So, what is the difference between a payment processor and a payment gateway? Stay tuned. What is the difference between a payment gateway and a payment processor? Payments gateways and payment processors, they are two of the key links in credit card processing, and we covered what a payment processor is in part 1 of this course. Go check out that video if you want to see it and find out more on them. See, the role of payment processors and payment gateways, it differs, yet both are vital components when it comes to accepting credit card payments. So in this class, we're going to continue with what is a payment gateway? Well, what is a payment gateway, Professor? Think of a payment gateway as a tool that securely transmits the online payment data to the processor. You see, a payment gateway, they facilitate online credit card payments. It's a technology that creates a secure connection between your business's website or browser and the credit card processing company. This secure connection, well, it is used to be able to encrypt the credit card payment data for every single transaction, verifying the authenticity of a transaction and keeping that sensitive information secure. A payment gateway can also authorize payments for card not present transactions, mostly for, say our e-commerce websites. Think of it as an online point-of-sale terminal for your business. Generally, you can set up a payment gateway in partnership with your chosen credit card or processing company. Some credit card processors have their own payment gateways, while others, they work with third-party gateways on behalf of their client businesses. Next question that comes from this is, well, how does a payment gateway work? A payment gateway, it works during an online transaction by actually encrypting credit card information as it enters the payment gateway at the time of purchase. Then that encrypted data, it is securely sent to the credit card processor, the card network, and the bank that issued the card on your business's bank's behalf. Now, once the encrypted data is delivered, the customer's card is charged the appropriate amount for that particular transaction. The funds are then delivered directly to your business bank account, minus, of course, the fees and processing costs that you've agreed upon with your credit card processor. But otherwise, they're delivered. All right, there's a lot to that. Would you like more? Well, if you want more, make sure that you go over to our YouTube channel and sign up and subscribe while you're there so that you don't ever miss a class. And if there's a course or a class you'd like to see created, then leave a comment or email me, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com. This short course on covering payment processors and gateways, it was created via a request from someone just like you. And if you're looking for full courses on payment-related topics, especially those faster payments, then head over to the paymentsprofessor.com website. What do we do here at Payments Professor? Well, our goal is to be able to create education that's engaging, entertaining, and fun.